If you've never touched ChatGPT before, today I'm going to walk you through using it for the very first time in under 3 minutes. By the end, you'll be confident enough to start putting AI to work in your business and in your daily life. So let's get started. Go ahead and open up a browser, and in that browser, you want to go to chatgpt.com. Okay? And you'll be presented with a screen that looks like this. You may also be presented with a screen to create an account and log in. You have a couple options here. You can just dismiss that window and make it go away. You don't have to log in. I do recommend longer term that you log in, simply because then ChatGPT will remember you and remember your responses, and it will. There's a lot more powerful things that you can do down the road. But for today, we just want to kind of get you just a little bit comfortable with using ChatGPT for the first time. So you're going to go to a browser, you're going to type this in, and either sign up or dismiss that window, and then your screen is going to look like this. Now you'll be at a place where you can actually talk to the engine. But now what? Now what do I do? Usually, whenever I see a screen like this and I'm talking to an AI engine, I just type hi, because I'm not sure what it can do, and I would like to see what it can do. So I'll type hi, and look, it's responding and it says, "Hi there, how can I help you today?" And there's a little privacy message here. You can make that go away if yours pops up. I'm going to click back in this box again, and I'm going to say, "What can you do for me? I don't know how to use this." Okay. Make this go away. And now it's going to respond and says totally fair. It can be a bit open-ended at first. Here's a quick breakdown of what I can do for you. Okay, so look at this. Everyday help. This is what ChatGPT can do to help you. It can help you write emails, or write essays, or write resumes, or captions, or stories. It can explain stuff. You can ask it questions about math or physics or technical topics. Did you know this? It can translate between most languages. You can give it something and have it translate something. It can build articles, PDFs, long text. You can summarize a PDF. Just drop it in here and it will summarize it for you. Work and study, data help, analyze spreadsheets, create graphs, interpret numbers, storytelling and writing prompts, games and quizzes and brainstorming, all kinds of technical tools. Hey, we're almost running out of time. Our 3 minutes is almost up. But I just wanted to let you know that this is a great way to get started and start talking to an LLM, which is what ChatGPT is, and start asking it what it can do for you and how it can help your day. Stay tuned for the next video where we're going to dive into this a little bit deeper.